Today we're going to show you how to use Garmin Dashcam Player. Dashcam Player lets you easily view and organize files captured by your compatible Garmin device. First, take out the memory card from the dashcam. Connect the memory card with the computer. Open Garmin Dashcam Player on your computer. If you haven't installed the software, visit Garmin official website to download it. When the computer detects your memory card, you may find the video files at date. If the videos provide GPS data and you want to view the routes, select Show Map Data from View. You may fast forward, rewind, pause, play, and mark your videos for easy viewing later. To delete the mark, hold the left click on your mouse and drag the mark into the trash can icon. You may also save video frames as a photo to document and share. To edit the video file needs to be converted to a saved file. Choose your file and right-click the mouse. Convert to saved file. Go to Saved. Confirm the file. Select the scissor icon to trim and a small window will pop up. Select the part that you want to trim. When you finish trimming, select Save. The new file will be saved in the default path. Right-click the mouse and select Rename. Be sure to download Garmin Dashcam Player and experience more editing features on your computer. Thank you for watching.